Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Azure Portal using MFA detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Azure Portal at portal.azure.com. Enter your Azure account credentials in the provided fields. Click on the Sign In button. If your account is configured for multi-factor authentication, you will be prompted to provide additional verification. Check your method of authentication, which could be through a mobile app, text message, or phone call. If using the mobile app, open the app and look for the verification request. Approve the sign-in request by tapping Approve in the app. For SMS or phone call authentication, wait for the verification code to arrive. Enter the code in the designated field on the Azure portal. After entering the correct code, click Verify. Once verified, you will be redirected to the Azure Portal dashboard. You can now navigate through the various services offered within the portal. For added security, consider enabling the Remember This Device option for devices you frequently use. If you encounter issues, ensure that your authentication method is working properly. You can check the Microsoft Authenticator app for any notifications or updates. Additionally, verify that you have a stable internet connection for the authentication process. In case you need to change your MFA settings, go to the Azure Active Directory Security MFA settings. Follow these guides carefully to ensure a smooth authentication experience with Azure Portal using multi-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.